So guys, we are cooking vegetable sauce. Okay, sorry that I didn't get you from the beginning. And here is chicken, hard chicken, and I've cooked it for 10 to 15 minutes because it's so hard to cook. Now I've added my stock fish. So this our vegetable sauce. I'll be using some fish, not much fish anywhere. It's going to call vegetable soup or vegetable sauce or Europe sauce. Okay, so now I'm adding my mackerel. You know me now, I love mackerel too much. So I will now add also this is my gizzard. I will add the gizzard and I will go on and stir and allow it to cook. Yeah, so we cover it, allow it to cook for more 5 to 10 minutes or thereabout before we can start add other things. I add small salt. Okay, so I will cover it. Now allow it to cook, guys. Keep watching. So I will be blending my scent pepper. Yes, I will add small water for easy blending. I will start blending. So as it is boiling, you can see it is boiling. I'll go ahead to add my pepper. I just blended now. Yes, and I will stir it again. Everything is cooking very well. Okay, so I will cover it. So as my soup is cooking, I will go and cut my vegetable. This is a frozen vegetable. I brought it out and I've already defrozen. I cut it because if you add it like that, you will see that it will be in a long sorry. The pepper have entered my nose. This big pepper. So I will cut it and get it ready. Let me know if you do cut your frozen spinach this way, or do you just defreeze it and put it like that? Yeah, so I finished now cutting it. I will add it back here. So this is what I get. I will add more oil. And I will add my tomatoes. I want to use tomatoes to make the sauce. Okay, Europe sauce, vegetable sauce, whatever you call it. Yeah. I will add also this. I want to use it to brighten my sauce. So I will allow it now to cook for a small time, or fry for a small time, before I can add it to my sauce. So let's see our sauce. I will cover this a little bit. I don't want it to put everywhere. So I will be adding my seasoning. Yes, so keep watching. Our sauce is gonna be sweet, sweet, sweet. Welcome. gonna be sweet, so I will go ahead to add my crayfish. There's no sauce without crayfish, okay? So after crayfish, I will go ahead to add my thickener. This will thicken the soup. Well, you can see today I did not remove any fish or anything. If at all can spoil there, no problem. Okay, so I've added my thickener. I will stir it a little bit, and you see how it is now. See, the face of the sauce is coming out. So this sauce, you can use it to eat anything. Okay, any of my sauce, you can use it to eat anything at all. You see the face of this sauce. Look at it. Look at it. You can use it to eat anything. So let's see our tomatoes. Our tomato is... Why am I doing this tomato here? I want it not to have taste. The taste of tomato in my sauce, okay? I have cooked it for a little time. Okay, you see how it is now? So I will take it now and come to my main sauce. I will add it here. It will be, in case if you don't want to use oil to cook your sauce, yeah, you can also use it. If you don't want to use oil to cook your soup or sauce, this is another way you can cook your sauce. You can use this sauce to eat swallow, yam, rice, a lot of things, guys. So I will now add my veggies, spinach, my veggies, guys. Okay, and we are allegedly making our plantain fufu mixed with grease. Okay, you can see how it is doing fle on the pot or in the pot, allegedly. And our vegetable sauce is done, and also our plantain fufu is done. So go on and enjoy with your family. Let me know if you like this particular video. Allegedly, give me allegedly thumbs up or share. Okay, so we're going to transfer our allegedly fufu here. Oh my god, just check it out now. Yeah, eat with your family and enjoy yourself. So let's see. Oh, it is cooking well. So I will not forget to add other of my vegetable. Yeah, and I will go ahead to stir it. So this is how the face of my sauce looks like. Somebody may be wondering, oh, are you cooking sauce or are you cooking soup? Whatever you call it, yeah? You know, here in Europe we call it sauce. Sauce is whatever you can use to eat rice, swallow, yam, whatever. We call it sauce here, okay? So you can call it soup, you can call it sauce. We are done. Do you see the face of my sauce? It's giving. Wow, this my sauce is giving, guys. What do you say about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will not forget to test it for salt. I will test for salt. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see how my vegetable sauce looks? Looks so yummy and delicious. So go ahead to make any food of your choice. Swallow, yam, rice, whatever, and enjoy. Let me know if this is helpful. Let me know if this is helpful. Will you try it, or do you have any other thing to tell me? Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones, and let me know what they think about this sauce. God bless you. Bye. Allegedly vegetable sauce for this, okay? Or you call it vegetable soup or sauce, whatever you call it. This is a wonderful food for the family. Hope you love it. So if you love it, give me thumbs up, share it, and like.